Bitcoin wallet tutorial, how to use Bitcoin wallet app for beginners. So if you want to use Bitcoin wallet app for beginners, it's actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, you have to open the bitcoin.com wallet application. Now it is just like any other cryptocurrency app: buy crypto, sell crypto, exchange, swap, trade, and whatever else. First of all, assuming you've already signed into your account and what's so on, this is the home page where you'll be able to buy some of the crypto if you want to. So let's say you want to buy a certain crypto, you can select a certain type of amount that you want to, and if you want to send crypto to someone, you can click on the send option, select an asset that you own that you want to send to someone. If you want to receive it, you can go to receive option and select and find a deposit address over here. So this is your Bitcoin deposit address, and similarly you'll be able to find, if you want to swap it, you can go to the swap option. If you scroll here, you will see all the value and the current values of the assets. Here you can see the services to buy, sell, verse explorer, news, earn, maps, and something like that. If you go to funds, here you'll be able to see most of your funds or crypto or anything that you own here. If you go to discovery, you'll be able to discover other people's overview and find some of the latest news related to cryptocurrency, and also view the market status. If you go to settings, here you'll be able to sign into your account, back up your wallet, your notification preferences, and your bitcoin.com wallet app over here. You can share the app, and similarly it's quite a simple application. It's not so complicated like Binance Trust Wallet and so on. It's just a really simple app, nothing much to do: buy, sell, send, receive, and swap. So hope this video helped you as to how you can use the Bitcoin wallet app for beginners. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.